This is how to grow on YouTube with 0 subscribers. Let's get straight into it. Use short form content to increase the watch time on your long form content. All right. This strategy right here is a game changer for anybody that is trying to get their views up. You've got to use shorts in a strategic way. Don't just throw any kind of thing up there. What you can use with shorts is the related video section. Have your long form videos in there every single time you upload a short. And this is what I do. I specifically make a short form video or several short form videos, not just one shot, but several of them. I'm putting out there just saying, hey, I made a new video about this. Check it out at the link below so that people can see it. For those who don't know about shorts and don't know that there's a related video under there and might just think that it's just a caption or just a description, I'm specifically telling them hit the play button so you can see the rest of the video if you want to know more about it. So then people will go from that short form video. When they click on that video, it'll take them to the long form video and they can watch the long form video. And there is where you can get your watch time hours, which is what you need to get monetized on the YouTube partner platform. All right. So basically, you just use shorts in a strategic way to promote your long form content. Think of it just like a television show, and they're teasing commercials for the new episodes that are coming out. I mean, you see it all the time. Little 30-second snippet of what's going to be happening in the next episode, and people build anticipation for watching that show and end up sticking around and watch it. That's what you're doing with your shorts. You're just telling people, hey, this is what is on my channel right now. Go watch it. And those that are really interested will go watch it. All right. And the amazing thing with shorts is that it's going to be in front of a lot more eyes than it would be with a long form video. Say if you don't have all your keywords right and your SEO isn't as good as it could be, then a lot less people will watch that long form video up front. But right now, YouTube Shorts is getting in front of a lot more eyes a lot quicker. So it is best and to your advantage to use Shorts to promote your long form videos. All right. This is a strategy. We got to stick to this. Okay. Now, Shorts can help you get subscribers fast because there's a higher chance of virality. Now, see, this is why you getting more views, because with shorts, if you have something that has like some text on there and it's showing people what's on what you're talking about, like say if you have captions while you're speaking, because a lot of people might be watching shorts on their mobile phone without the sound on. So if you have that text on there, they just may still see your message about going to look at the rest of what you're saying in the long form video that you have. And then they just may, turn it on so they can hear it and watch your long form video. But that's what's happened with me. I've had viral videos on shorts, not on the long form videos, but very quickly on shorts. And this is happening for a lot of creators. A lot of creators are making a lot of money doing shorts because they've mastered the skill of creating short form content. And when you do that, oh my gosh, you're unstoppable. But I know the game here on YouTube is long form for most channels. So this is what we're going to focus on in this video right here. And we'll get to the short form on how to go viral with that and build up a short form channel in another video. But in long form videos, this is what you're using to bring that organic traffic to your long form videos. Use shorts. You want to have people that are already on YouTube going to your long form videos and bringing those views up. And that's how you can do it organically here on YouTube. Use shorts. I know a lot of creators say don't use shorts at all on your channel if you focus on long form, but you can use it to your advantage to get more views. Because a ton of people watch shorts very quickly. And if you have just like the perfect snippet of something that is going to intrigue someone to want to see more about what you're saying, then hey, they might just go see it. They might go watch it. If you have subscribers that see your shorts and may not get the notification for your videos, for your long form videos, and you're just telling them, hey, I just made a video about this, then they might be like, hey, I didn't even see the notification. Glad I saw this short. And they go watch your long form video. So use those to your advantage. And it's best to not just make one of them, but just make as many as you can. And it's not that hard. All you have to do is just open up the app on mobile and hit record, do like a 15, 20-second, or you could be less, it could be more, however you want it. It's up to 3 minutes now. So you can say whatever you need to say about promoting your video. You're saying, hey, press the play button. Definitely say that, and you'll get some more views. I'm telling you, all right? Now, you want to use your short form content on other platforms to funnel your long form content on YouTube. Now, this is the other game changer. Now you're already getting people on YouTube by using shorts. Now what you can do is you can go to TikTok and post that short. You can go to Facebook and post that short. You can go to any other social media that you have, any other platform that you have, and post the video from your short telling people where to find your long form video so that they go watch it. This is another way to get organic views, organic traffic to your video, because you can use all of these different avenues, but if you're not using them, I mean, you're not really, using all your ammunition there. If you can get people from Facebook, you can get people from TikTok, you can get people from Instagram to come over to your YouTube channel just from those short form content videos that you're putting out, then you're going to be getting a lot more views rather than nothing. I mean, you got to promote it. You got to promote your videos. If you don't have a huge following, and of course, if you start off with 0 subscribers, you just may, not just may be, starting like that. So you want to make sure you're using every single avenue that you can to bring in those views and bring in those eyes to your long form videos. Okay. Now, this is going to help you get all the organic views, all the organic traffic, and you won't have to be trying to spend money on paid traffic. I wouldn't recommend using paid service providers to, get your views up and everything. Just keep it organic. Keep it organic. Use all of your other platforms and use shorts. And this will help you get your subscribers up fast. Me personally, I had a viral video that went to like 4 million views in a short amount of time, and I had over 10,000 subscribers in a very short amount of time. So yeah, I mean, it can blow up your subscribers. Now, as far as your watch time, that's gonna keep on growing too, and that can go fast too as well. If you're promoting a long form video. Now, learn from my mistakes. When I had a short form video and it went viral, I did not have a related video to my long form video. All right. I had a short form video for shorts, but I didn't have it related. I didn't have it going to my that related video linked to my long form video. So that's what you want to do. You want to make sure you always link your related video, your long form video in that related video section on your shorts, okay? And that right there will help you skyrocket your views, your subscribers, and build your watch time. All right. Now, a lot of short form video viewers may not watch the long form videos as long because they're used to short form videos, but you're still going to be getting those views if they watch up to a certain amount of time. And some people may watch it all, some people may not, but I mean, that's out of our control. However, if you have a very captivating video and you can keep those eyes on there, then that will definitely help. So building up your strength in making your videos more captivating to where people just have to watch to the end, that is the skill that you want to build. Okay. And that's what people are doing with shorts as well. But the long form content, you're doing the same thing. It's just with more time. All right. So keep on building up those skills and use this to your advantage because I'm telling you, it works. All right. Well, this is my last tip. If you can find a mentor to show you more about this stuff, then definitely get one. If you don't, then make sure that you watch my videos and ask questions in the comments. Let me know what's challenging you right now in your YouTube journey. Maybe I can help. All right. And I just really thank you right now for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button so that the algorithm shows this to more people and more people can get helped and grow their YouTube channels. All right. And we're all in this together. This is for small channels. This is for new YouTubers. This is for us to all grow and just continue to be better here on YouTube. All right. So if you want to see what YouTube says is the best video for you to check out, watch this here. And if you want to binge watch and just learn even more and more and more tips, hit my playlist. All right. Blessings, peace, and love. I'm Ty Sweet. Make life better. Make life sweet.